Welcome to HubMesh. Here are the developer tools and AI agents trending on GitHub right now.
Appending a model tuning block on every turn lets omp-plugin-dynamic-system-prompt tailor guidance, while footer symbols track injection. By choosing directives, it scales instructions so frontier models receive less while models needing help get more. A prompt written for weak models wastes tokens on strong ones, so capable flagships receive silent, light prompts. You install the plugin directly, and it works with no configuration, because every setting has a default. Across 3 stages, it normalizes model IDs to resolve dimensions, select rules, and render custom blocks. Through configurable settings or a lock file, your footer status symbol signals whether the tuning block was actually appended. The stop hook in Unlazy stops AI agents from claiming victory early, but can integration gates really save big projects? Instead of trusting promises, Unlazy makes half-done work structurally visible with file-based acceptance gates and a mandatory ledger. You install Unlazy across agents via the Skills CLI and invoke it in plain language to decompose tasks. While the original version lives on the V1 branch, tests proved runnable checks fix far more defects pre-delivery. Before starting work, the agent writes concrete test expectations, which gate check images runs and verifies before marking items done. By setting depth layers and branch integration gates, Unlazy prevents 32 locally perfect leaves from forming a broken product. Mining 13 financial data sources lets Digital Oracle estimate macro trends, but wait until you see its multi-layer report workflow. It acts as an open-source skill that transforms trading noise into objective price signals using markets like Polymarket. Whether predicting housing trends or global conflicts, Digital Oracle evaluates any question priced by active financial markets. It aggregates U.S. Treasury yield curves and smart money positions, delivering free data without needing API keys. You can run CLOUB install or direct your agent to clone the code with 0 extra setup for 12 providers. By executing gather to query each provider concurrently, it resolves market contradictions into a final multi-layer probability report. SciAgent-Skills boosts agent performance on Bixbench from 65 to 92%, but how easily does Windsurf load them? As the largest open-source scientific skill library, it turns coding assistants into life sciences experts without fine-tuning. The library achieved 92.0% accuracy on Bixbench Verified 50, outperforming the baseline by 26.7 percentage points. You can explore HyperLab, a browser platform powered by SciAgent-Skills for instant bioinformatics analysis without setup. Its broad category structure covers 65 genomic skills using BioPython alongside tools for drug discovery and biostatistics. During installation, environments like Windsurf need no npm packages because agents read the cloned markdown files directly. With over 2,700 apps indexed, selfhost.directory lets developers replace cloud SaaS platforms, but how can you self-host photo backups? This searchable index organizes open-source projects so you can safely run independent software on your own private server. Organized into top categories like productivity and DevOps, developers can instantly locate tools matching their operational stack. In developer tools, Crawl4AI provides an open-source web crawler designed to simplify data extraction for machine learning models. Under AI, OpenClaw runs a personal assistant locally on your personal devices for fast, always-on automation. Finally, Image delivers a seamless photo backup solution that completely frees your personal memories from third-party cloud vendors. That's the mix for today. More trending dev tools and AI agents in the next one.